Here's one reason why your chest may not be growing on hormones. You might just not be giving it enough time. This is specifically true with spironolactone. Spironolactone is a potassium-sparing diuretic which also suppresses testosterone. Now, it can take up to 9 months to take full effect in suppressing testosterone in some people. 9 months. Now that can be a long time when you've just started HRT. However, the positives of starting spironolactone is it's relatively inexpensive in comparison to the other anti-androgens. Longer term, it's actually a lot safer than other anti-androgens. For example, Andracor, which can be very toxic, especially to the liver. Plus also they taste very minty. So if you need freshening up, spironolactone's going to do the job. There's one thing you need to be aware when taking spironolactone. You always need to ensure that you are staying very well hydrated because it will make you pee a lot. And also, you need to ensure that you're eating salty foods, keeping your electrolyte and sodium levels optimal because you will lose more sodium in your pee. This is why it's really important for you to drink 2 to 3 liters a day. The upper range being if you're on already dehydrating medication, or you live in a really hot country, or you're just very, very active. Now, the problem comes if you drink too much water, and you might just develop hyponatremia, which is an excess of water and not enough sodium, which will make you feel very weak, fatigue, have a headache, feel nauseous, feel like you have no energy whatsoever, and you might just end up drinking more water thinking that you're dehydrated, like myself, and this could potentially kill you if you're not careful. On top of this, because spironolactone is a potassium-sparing diuretic, you need to be very cautious of the foods that you're eating. Ensure that you're not eating foods that are too rich in potassium, because then you're going to end up with hypokalemia, which is an excess of potassium, and that's not good either. That's why it's important for you to know what you're doing with spironolactone. Hydration, not too much hydration. Possibly taking electrolytes to ensure that you're not messing up the balance within your body, and also working towards taking the lowest amount that is the most effective amount.